Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is concede. It's pronounced concede, and it's spelt C-O-N-C-E-D-E. Think con and then cede. Concede means to surrender, give in, or admit you were wrong about something. For example, you could say, I had to concede that I overreacted. The word concede comes from the Latin concedere, meaning to give way, yield, go away, depart, or retire. Its meaning is similar today. By conceding, you give in or yield. You might have heard the word concede before if you are interested in football. When a goal is scored against a team someone is supporting, people often say, oh no, they've conceded a goal, as well as some other combination of words to vent their frustration. Did you know that Everton have conceded the most goals in Premier League history? They've conceded 1,357 goals in just over 1,000 games. Whoa. Concede is a verb, and therefore a doing word. For example, you could say, after Alex beat me at Mario Kart 5 times in a row, I had to concede he was the better player. Concede is defined in the dictionary as to give up or admit, often unwillingly, that something is true or that you are wrong. Concede synonyms include surrender, yield, relinquish, admit, acknowledge, accept, allow, and capitulate. Antonyms include defend, deny, disallow, disprove, dispute, fight, refuse, and reject. See if you notice anyone concede today. It could be when playing a game or in an argument. Pay attention, try and spot when this is happening, and see if you can squeeze in an opportunity to practice using your new word. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.